Hello everyone, welcome to Bitcoin New York. Today is May 15th, Saturday, just about 8 p.m. The market's closed on 3-day charts and daily charts, so we're going to take a look at it into this. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more. It's a little bit of a hard time for cryptocurrency right now, as some of you may know. If you look at the charts, it's very clear that the position we're in right now. I'm going to be looking at Bitcoin, Ripple, Ethers, and ADAs. We're going to look at the fear and greed in a little bit. Also, the coin market cap is going to be coming up at the end. So, like and follow for more. Today we're going to go into... I don't want to scare any of you guys, but the Bitcoin is a little bit of a crisis right now. I found a little bit of a good picture, so I would like to show you guys. Tomorrow is the finishing day for the weekend, so I'm going to take a look at that too. Today we're going to be looking at most of the important stuff for now. I would like to know what you guys think about these charts. It's about 8:30 right now, so let's hold on a moment. 8:15. It's really bright right now. This time of the year. Love summer. Alright, let's get into this for a moment. Let's look at the fear and greed index right now. It's at a 20. Extreme fear right now. Very, very low. Extreme fear. I think it's a little bit just about time to hit the lowest of lows for now. At the time of the coronavirus, it's about here. Crypto fear index 11, 10, 13, 20th of March. This was about the numbers over here. It's about to get around those numbers. Today it was 20, so maybe 15, maybe a little bit lower. A good chance to buy up on it right now. I don't think it's going to go lower than this right now. A big chance to buy. I think that's the first time actually that I hit this low since I started doing YouTube. So this is a really interesting position we're in right now. Let's start off with Bitcoins and dollars. Look at the daily charts first of all. Right now, making a good line downwards over here. 4K start around 4K 600. Let's make a dead cross on the daily line. Looking at the 3-day charts. 3-day charts looking around here, looking pretty good. Yeah, it's down for 6 days in a row, as you can see here. And about now, what a lot of people are looking at in the many investors over here right now is in the weekly charts. This EMA is 21. This line over here. It hasn't hit any of the EMA lines for a little while in this bull market, and what I thought it was gonna hit someday, so that's what's happening right now. It's just hit the EMA line. The next week, what's gonna happen is tomorrow. If tomorrow's sticks is about to hit lower than the EMA line, it could make a lower parts around here. So that's a scenario if the next stick is to hit lower than the EMA line. That would be the next scenario. So that would be a pretty normal adjustment if that were to happen. I think tomorrow is the day where you should be keeping a lookout for. So there is a lot of resistance around here, so 3 lines, just about. If it were to go down around here, that is a possibility. It's very possible. So I don't think you should be cashing out on any of your Bitcoins just yet. I always say this, but the bullish market hasn't stopped yet. So if you don't have any Bitcoins, this is a big chance right now to buy some. Just go ahead and buy some Bitcoins right now. So Fear and Greed Index, 20 on the Fear and Greed Index is a very rare opportunity for any of you considering to buy Bitcoin in the near future. Let's hold on here. Let's see here. So this is the bull run on the 2017. So it's always hitting the EMA line here. Sometimes it goes down to the yellow line here. Even in here, over here, 34%. Or over here. Sorry, hold on for a moment. Yeah, over here, 37%. So that's the numbers that it has to make for it, the chart to make an overall upper trend or upper direction. So I don't think it's too fast to say that it's going into a bear market. A lot of technical people over here have very mixed opinions about this, but majority of them have the same opinion as mine, which is it's not a bearish market yet, and these are just the necessary adjustments for getting into newer highs. So going into a bullish or bearish market is not a very realistic scenario, considering all the data before this. So this is the Corona ramp over here. If you would sell over here, it would have just gone back up. So this was one of the mistakes I made over here. If you bought around here, yeah, it just went back up to the same price in about a month. So yeah, it just went up after that, after a few months. So I don't think it's gonna be down that much, but that's just food for thought. If it went down up there, if you just bought at the lowest of lows of the coronavirus epidemic, you would have made a lot of money off of that. So I don't think it's much of a time to make moves right now. The 3-day charts. So it's 3 days right now. So on Tuesday, I'm gonna be on this again. So just gonna have to wait and see for now. This is the very most important part of this chart. Yeah, over here on the weekly charts here. Very important. Very, very important. So I'll get into this again tomorrow on my other channel. So if it were to go up around here, that would be a for sure bullish. It might like go fluctuate around here, but that's necessary. 53K, 46K, around there on that line. Yeah, I don't think it's just making some adjustments right now. I don't think it would be, I won't be surprised if it like go down around here, just like touch that red line and come back again. The last market high, which is, so I think that is one scenario that could play out. I do a lot of trading in the morning, so this was one of my biggest concerns at the time. Look at the 4-day charts. If it were to go up down here, or maybe it could have upper resistance to go down over here, 41K. If you're considering buying, you could go in for some make orders around here. I think that's a very strong place to set an order. Looking at it from the last datas, it actually went through on the line a little bit over here. If it went down through, even if it goes up, a lot of the time it goes down to the next line and below that, just to see if it could go down there. So it just like, went up and went down again, just like around the same place around here. So if it went through the last lows, it could go down to the next line. So looking at the 3-day charts, yeah, this is the charts right now. You got to be very careful on where you sell at these kinds of positions, or how the chart's looking right now. Got the daily charts, looking a lot different from the last one. Yeah, around these parts is the very important places. Gotta check back on this tomorrow, making sure to keep an eye out for them. For sure, hold for now. Ethers in US dollars tether. So yeah, it's kind of going forward a little bit too quickly. It's kind of moving around too quickly. So this is about to make a golden cross here. The 3-day charts. Yeah. 2 days. Oh, actually 6 days in adjustments. Yeah, it's a little bit dead cross here. It's kind of fluctuating for now, looking at it from a 3-day perspective. The weekly chart's closing tomorrow, I think. So yeah, around here is a good place to settle down. Kind of have to wait and see. RSI is looking upwards, so MACD is kind of have more room to go up. So just another few adjustments. Just coming up too quickly. So don't worry about these for now. Gotta wait a little bit more to see how this goes. I'm sure a lot of my viewers have ethers, so if you're looking at it in dollars, it can actually look a little bit like it's gonna go down, but it's actually went up for a little while. So this is ethers and bitcoins right now. Bitcoin Cash is actually a little bit upwards today. So it's actually doing really well. A lot more opportunities to make more money on this or grow your portfolio. This is ethers and bitcoins. Yeah, around here is a very steady, nice chart. Yeah, it's kind of getting closer to the line, so just gonna make more room to go up. Looking at a 3-day chart, yeah, it's pretty strong. Looking at it at 3-day charts, not much to say about this. Yeah, just gonna go up again. If it goes through this, I think it's gonna go more, make more velocity towards the upper area. It could take a little bit more time, but there could be a little adjustments here and there. But all the other altcoins, it's kind of going crazy right now. Does anyone of you have Maddox? They're going really crazy right now. Yeah, it's like going crazy to the moon right now. Yeah, I actually showed some of it on Twitter. So, in 3 weeks ago, I think I did it on a video, and yeah, I'm really jealous of those people that all had it. Yeah, I don't know how much Bitcoin they made off of that. Yeah, a lot of in dollars was up to, but you know what I mean. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna go in this ether. I think it's gonna go up, and gonna try to hit those lines up there in 3.6, 4.2. I think it's a for sure hold for now. A lot of you have asking if they should buy Bitcoin, but there's a lot of room for to go up. So, okay, going to Ripple, the daily charts here. I showed it on Twitter, and it's going a little bit upwards. Looking at daily 3-day line. Yeah, it was up the last 3 days, 6 days actually. So I think it's gonna go to the next. It's up to the next line here in the green. So it's about to make the next bullish run for now. Yeah, a lot of it. I think a lot of it is taking some, the Bitcoin's going down. So it's kind of taking effect on these charts, but starting on the 3D charts here. So I think it's gonna maybe it could hit around here. I think around here is for sure. I think it might hit 3.23 or 4.236. Looking at it for now, I think around here is for sure the next checkpoint. So I think that's a place you should keep an eye out for. Yeah, looking at it on the long term, it's on a lot more growth. Room for a lot more growth. Ripple has a long way to go. Looking at it on the weekly charts. So I think it's gonna hit a new market high in a few days or a few weeks actually. Ripples and Bitcoins is like going crazy. This is a daily chart. Look at it over here. So today it's going really good today. Let me draw these lines over here. Yeah, right here. Yeah, this is going up. So a lot, just a long way to go for this too, but let me draw this line here. So I think around here is the next checkpoints. That's the last market high, so yeah, in the last few months. So a lot more room. So looking at Maddox, I think that that's like one of the scenarios that could play out. But around here, it's the same as Verge. Just like go up from crazy and go down and go up again. That's one more possibility. 3-day charts over here. Let me adjust this. Very strong over here. Looking very strong over here as well. Yeah, it's about to start in that little candlestick over there, so looking very good. Yeah, it's a golden cross over here. On the weekly charts, it's about to make it. Just about to make the golden cross. Bitcoins and XRPs are really good in my opinion. It's very different from the in USD opposing to Bitcoin. Bitcoin's looking really good. And ADAs, Cardano in US dollars. Yeah, it actually made a market high. I was very surprised by this. Making more highs, probably. It's amazing looking at this chart. Yeah, all those people that had it, those times have paid off, I would say. Yeah, it's a little bit hitting around here, so looking at 3-day charts, looking very good, very strong. Yeah, it might go around on the top, but yeah, I don't think it's gonna go down for a little bit. Looking at it on the last few days, I'm pretty sure still a bit bullish market. Around 3.6, 4.2 is the next touching point. I think Tesla's considering other cryptos. Like, they still have Bitcoins, but they're trying to get more cryptocurrencies where there's less electricity in mine, I think. So I think there are, like, the next hot crypto is going to come around the corner in the next while. So ADA might go $20 maybe this year. They might go 20 in this year. It's very possible, I would say. Very hot crypto right now. Looking very fun. I'm not making fun of them. I'm not making fun of them by any chance. I'm just pretty sure a lot of you love the media and the news. Yeah, but looking at the chart, it's looking very good. And Cardano and Bitcoin, look at this. It's a lot different behavior than in dollars. It's just laughable at this point. This is crazy. This is super duper crazy. Let's see the 3-day charts first of all. Oh yeah, that's just in 3 days over here. It's a little bit heavy, but yeah, I think it's gonna go through in the line. That could hit a market high, new market high. I think this is the next pattern for a lot of the cryptos in the next while. But in all the Bitcoins, they haven't made like all the cryptos and Bitcoin, they haven't made any market highs yet. So I think but I think that's the next possibility. This is a really amazing chart. For all of you that have a Cardano for a while, I'm pretty sure they made a lot of money off of that. Let's get the numbers for now. So it's kind of going for 3.618 and 4.236 around here. And these are the latest highs and lows. So that's like the range or the volatility right now of this Bitcoin. That's very, very crazy. So that's all we have for now, actually. Hit the like buttons and subscribe for more. Tell us what you know about these 4 cryptos and your position on these. And I'll see you again in 3 days. Thank you, guys.